Artificial intelligence, AI. Artificial intelligence refers to the development of computer systems capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as reasoning, learning, decision-making, and perception. 1. AI encompasses a wide range of technologies, including machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing. Key principles and technologies. Machine learning. This is a subset of AI that involves training algorithms on data to make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed. It includes supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. 1. Deep learning. A type of machine learning that uses neural networks with many layers, hence deep, to analyze various factors of data. It is particularly effective in tasks like image and speech recognition. What is artificial intelligence? Brief introduction to AI. Define AI simply. AI is the science of creating machines that can think and learn like humans. It's already in our phones, cars, and even healthcare. Examples. Show real-life examples like Siri, Google Maps, and Netflix recommendations to illustrate how AI is integrated into everyday life. Key point. Highlight how AI can handle specific tasks very well, like sorting data or analyzing large amounts of information quickly. What is human intelligence? Brief introduction to human intelligence. Human intelligence is how we think, reason, solve problems, and understand the world around us. Examples. Show humans in action, thinking critically, making creative decisions, and solving complex problems in various fields. Medicine, business, education, and art. Key point. Highlight that humans excel in creativity, emotional intelligence, and ethical reasoning, areas where AI is still limited. What is artificial intelligence? Brief introduction to AI. Define AI simply. AI is the science of creating machines that can think and learn like humans. It's already in our phones, cars, and even healthcare. Examples. Show real-life examples like Siri, Google Maps, and Netflix recommendations to illustrate how AI is integrated into everyday life. Key point. Highlight how AI can handle specific tasks very well, like sorting data or analyzing large amounts of information quickly. What is human intelligence? Brief introduction to human intelligence. Human intelligence is how we think, reason, solve problems, and understand the world around us. Examples. Show humans in action, thinking critically, making creative decisions, and solving complex problems in various fields. Medicine, business, education, and art. Key point. Highlight that humans excel in creativity, emotional intelligence, and ethical reasoning, areas where AI is still limited. Comparing the two. 1. Speed and efficiency. AI. Google Maps uses AI to quickly find the fastest route to your destination by considering real-time traffic data. Human intelligence. A person might look at traffic and try to choose the best route, but it takes longer and may not account for sudden traffic changes as quickly as AI. 2. Creativity. AI. AI can create simple art or music using patterns and rules, like generating a song from algorithms. Human intelligence. A human artist or musician creates original art or music based on emotions, personal experiences, and creativity, things AI cannot truly feel or replicate. 3. Problem solving. AI. In healthcare, AI can scan X-rays and identify signs of diseases faster than a doctor could by looking at the images manually. Human intelligence. A doctor uses their experience, intuition, and knowledge to make decisions about patient care, including considering the patient's emotions and history, which AI can't fully do. 4. Learning and adaptability. AI. AI learns from data, like how Netflix suggests movies based on what you've watched before. Human intelligence. A person learns from their experiences and can change their decisions based on new information, like deciding to change jobs based on personal growth or feelings. 5. Social interaction. AI. Siri or Alexa can respond to commands, but they don't understand how to make a joke or truly empathize with you. Human intelligence. Humans can have deep conversations, understand emotions, and adjust how they talk based on who they're with, showing empathy and understanding. 6. Ethics and morality. AI. AI can recommend products or actions based on data, like suggesting what to buy. But it doesn't understand what's right or wrong. Human intelligence. A human can make ethical decisions, like choosing to help a friend in need, even if it's inconvenient or doesn't make the most money. 7. Autonomy and self-awareness. AI. A self-driving car uses AI to navigate and make decisions, but it has no awareness of its surroundings beyond its programming. Human intelligence. A person driving a car can sense danger or changes in the environment, like an animal crossing the road, and react quickly, even without all the facts. Predictive abilities. AI. Amazon's AI can predict what products you might want to buy based on your previous purchases and searches. Human intelligence. A friend might predict what gift you'd like for your birthday, not just based on past purchases, but because they understand your personality, interests, and what you've talked about. 9. Decision-making. AI. Show how AI is great at data-driven decisions, like recommending what movie to watch based on past choices. Human intelligence. Highlight how humans can make decisions based on values, ethics, and emotions, e.g., deciding to help a friend in need even if it's inconvenient. What's coming in the future of AI? Cut to host walking through futuristic high-tech spaces like smart offices, advanced labs, or autonomous vehicles. AI is everywhere today, but it's just the beginning. The future of AI is going to change everything: how we work, how we learn, even how we interact with each other. Think about this. Self-driving cars, smart cities, even robots working alongside us in every job imaginable. The future is coming, and it's powered by AI. Cut to clips of futuristic tech. Self-driving cars, smart homes, and digital assistants helping people with tasks. Imagine stepping into a world where your home knows exactly what you need, adjusting the temperature, dimming the lights, and playing your favorite music, all before you even ask. And it's not just for your home. Cities will soon be smarter too. AI-powered traffic systems.